cleansing swab. Smells like alcohol. It says rub it on your spot and let it dry for 15. Little spikes. Shoot. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm gonna let this sit overnight. It says 2 hours or more, but I'm just gonna do overnight. Hey y'all, so I'm back. It's the next day. And this is the sticker. That's the spot. I mean, it's smaller and softer, but it's still there. It's less noticeable though. I think today I'm gonna do, well tonight I'm gonna do this one. Cause I forgot to take a picture of this bump. So, it feels softer though. So we're gonna do this one tonight. And see how it comes out. So I'm gonna wash my face and I'll see y'all later. Okay y'all, I'm back. It's currently 8:51 Sunday. I have the cleansing pad. And we're gonna do this spot right here. So clean the area. The pad. Okay, so this pad kind of feels like something. Yesterday when I was rubbing it, or last night when I was rubbing it, I couldn't really feel anything, but I feel it now. Okay, so I rubbed that on the spot. Supposed to let it dry for 15 seconds. By the time I open this, it should be dry. Okay, so we're gonna and then go to bed. This is the one I put it on yesterday. It actually looks bigger. So, we'll see tomorrow. Right now, it's not looking so well, but I'll give y'all my full review on what I think, if these are worth it or not. Okay, y'all, it's 9:42, Monday. I'm gonna take this thing off my face. It looks like it got bigger, but it doesn't hurt as bad. I can take it off. Yeah, it definitely got bigger, I think. So, review time. Hey y'all, so it's me, and I'm back with my final review of ZitSticka's Killa Kit. It's gonna be a no for me. Yeah. The two bumps I tried them on were like cyst bumps. They weren't really pimples, but they're going to turn into pimples eventually. And this one right here has only been here for like 3 days. It hasn't even been here that long. And it didn't work. I feel like it made this one bigger, if anything. But I'll show y'all the packaging. I kind of messed it up, but this is what it looks like. It has the actual patches in the front, and then the swabs, the alcohol swabs in the back. And it comes with this little informational thing, and it's kind of just showing you the technology, how it works. So yeah, so basically all you have to do is take one of the swabs, open it, rub it across a bump or zit of your choice, and then they say let it dry for 15 seconds and then place the patch on it and let it sit on there for 2 hours, or you can do overnight. I did overnight for both of them, and yeah, I really didn't see too much of a difference. I did not purchase these, by the way. They were sent to me, and this is the box that it came in, and it came with Skin Discipline, 30-day supply. I guess I could tell you guys the patch has sodium hyaluronate, niacinamide, sodium hydroxide, and salicylic acid. And then the swab contains alcohol, water, tea tree oil, some type of acetate, and then salicylic acid. So if you guys want to know what it has in it. So yeah, and it retails for $28 for 8 patches, or $26 with a subscription. Or you can go to Ulta and get a pack of 4 for like $16, I think. I think that's what it said. Don't quote me on that though. So yeah, personally, I wouldn't order this or go into a store and be like, ooh, I'm gonna get some patches today, which I've never been a pimple patch person, which I know they're like a big thing. But, and even though I got these, I just don't. They don't work for me per se as like the bumps I want to use them on. Now I might one day use it on a pimple and see if it works better, but as far as like my bumps, they don't work. So it's a no for me. As far as the spikes, I did feel them entering my skin. It kind of feels like a pinch. It doesn't hurt, it's just a little uncomfortable. But then after like you press it down and they're in there, it doesn't bother me anymore. My skin, as you know, is sensitive, and I didn't experience like any irritation where the patch was. So yeah, overall, I feel like I could do without them. But if you're interested in stuff like this, hey, I would say give it a try if you want to. I will be reviewing Skin Discipline, which is their probiotic / vitamin. And I started that last Wednesday. And so far, I'm going through purging If you go look at my latest video that I just posted before this one, my skin was like clear. Now it's messy. So far I don't like it, but it's only been like 5 days, so I can't really knock it. But I'll come back after I finish it and give y'all my full review on that one. So this is the end of my review. Comment, like, subscribe, share. If you use pimple patches that actually work, you can comment them below. And any questions, concerns, comment them below. Follow my Skinsta at charmingchele on Instagram. I post more about my skin on there than on here, even though I'm gonna start posting more about my skin on here. But yeah, check out my other skincare videos, and I will see y'all when I see y'all. Bye.